Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do it, just watch the video. Now let's move to adding this device to the application. Firstly, we need to open settings to add our earbuds, to connect our earbuds with the phone. Then go to the Bluetooth for connected devices, and if you have Android, click Pair New Device. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. So, if your earbuds do not connect it with another device, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see it at the device list. You can also enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side of the earbuds, right here at the top, we have SOUNDCORE icons. These actually are touch areas. You need to press and hold both of them for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode manually. 1, 2, and 3, and you will see it at the device list. Then you need to tap on it, and if you have Android, after that click Pair. We can hide the settings and open SOUNDCORE application. Click Add Device, and if you have Android, you will see your earbuds right here at the top, but on iOS we need to tap at this earbuds icon. Now it's searching, and right here we also have it. Tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!